product here. This one is super cool. This is what we call the 3D string art kit with lights. So this one's actually really cool. We already have this set up here for you guys, and I will show you. So this is the current one. This is for ages 8 and up. This one is the one that we have already set up, that we are going to do everything on live with you guys so that we can show you exactly how to do it, how simple and how quick and easy this is. So this is what we get. It makes 2 supersized lanterns. So this one is a moon and a star right here. And this one looks like a star and a heart. So of course in each box you do get an LED light with an iron wire. So please note that batteries are not included. So that is exactly what the light will look like once we're done. It does come with a jar of grippy glue, which is right here, and an inflatable balloon in which we have already inflated right there. It comes with metallic twist ties, plastic inflation straw, and of course you do get your gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys quickly how this is done. I love it. This is super cute to do with your kids or your nieces and nephews, anyone of that nature. So basically, you get your instructions. They're very super simple and easy. You get 6 instructions right there. So what you're going to go ahead and do, which we've already done, is you're going to get a bowl just like this. You're going to put 50 millimeters of glue and 200 ml of water. You're going to go ahead and stir that in there. And then what you're going to do is, it does come with strings. These are the strings. You're going to go ahead and put the string in the bowl with the glue and the water and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, in which we have already done. So then what you do is you figure out if you wanted to do a star or a moon. We were able to blow up the moon. All you do is you take the straw, and then of course the red part right there, you're going to insert the straw right in there. Then you're going to blow it all the way up until you get into this. You take the straw out, it closes on its own, super simple and easy. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to take the string that has been dipped in the glue and the water, and then we're going to go ahead and put it all around our balloon. So safety first. Everyone's going to go ahead and take their gloves. Put your gloves on. And this is almost like a paper mache little arts project. I'm not sure if you guys remember back in the day, paper mache was totally the play. That rhymed. So I'm just going to put some paper down so that we don't get this desk all messy. There we go. So make sure that your environment on where you are doing these arts and crafts, you have more than enough space and room. So remember, gloves are included. You're going to go ahead and you're going to blow up your little balloon. Then what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and take your string that has been dipped in the water and the glue. And then you're going to go ahead and get all artsy with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead and wrap your string around. Just want to make sure. So you can do it however you want to do it. And then of course, you're going to let it dry. So we just want to make sure that the string isn't tangled so that you have more than enough room. There we go. And just wrap around the balloon however you want to wrap it. So we're going to go ahead and get artsy with it. There we go. Look at how cool that is. So as I mentioned, this is something cool to do with your kids. You guys can make your own little lantern with lights. And there's no right or wrong way on how to do it, to be honest. It's all about your creativity. This is the most messiest part, is just that you want to make sure you have something laid out because you're going to have a lot of water and glue. So just wrap your little balloon. It definitely brings back memories of paper mache when I was younger. Woo! There you go. So you're just going to wrap it however you want to wrap it. This string is super, super long. We're trying to create a masterpiece here. There we go. Woo. There we go. You can wrap it however you want to wrap it because remember, it doesn't matter if there's no air in the balloon. We're going to pop the balloon anyways. So it just wants to create a type of form. And as I mentioned, just like paper mache, this is exactly what you used to do when you were younger. And I love paper mache. So we're almost there. Woo! There we go. The string. Just want to make sure it doesn't get tangled here. Oh, you know what? The scissors. That's always good. If it gets tangled, take the scissors, put it on there. There we go. Wow. Okay, we're almost getting to it. Ooh. There we go. So you kind of want to create that moon. We're getting it. So while you're doing that, and of course the glue is drying. So this is what we've kind of came to a final product. And you want to just take some glue if you have some leftover glue, and then just make sure that the strings are all on there. There we go. And then what you're going to do is we're going to wait for this to dry. And then once this is dried, you're going to go ahead and pop the balloon underneath because then now it is formed into a moon. And then once it's formed into a moon, you can go ahead and put those lights on them, and then you have a nice and cool DIY light lantern. Super simple, super cute. What we're going to go ahead and do is, I think we were going to go ahead and dry it. We're going to go ahead and leave that there to dry while I go ahead and go to the next products. There you go. Beautiful. We're going to let that dry for a few minutes. And then while that's drying, hopefully we can actually show you guys what the final product is going to look like at the end. Because as you know, the final product should look like that right there with the balloon popped out, and then of course the lights ready to go. So give us a few minutes while we have the heater over here giving that a dry, and then we're going to go ahead and put the lights on there as well. So while that's drying, this is the 3D string art. As I mentioned, it comes in this and it comes in these. So heart and star, and then a moon and a star. Ages 8 and up. And this is a cute little DIY, do-it-yourself, put it together with your kids, your family, your nieces and nephews, whatever your heart desires. I think it's super cute. It definitely brings back some memories when I was a child. So of course, with that being said, let me just double check here. The price is only $17.99. And of course, it comes in 2 styles as I showed you. It's a complete craft kit. So you're not really going out and having to purchase any other items. The only thing that you really do need is you just need batteries for the lights itself. And then, of course, make sure that you have a cup that you can put the glue and the water in there as well. So it's super simple and easy. And of course, it sparks kids' creativity. So if they're really into all this arts and crafts and DIY, I would definitely take a look at this and maybe give it to them on their Christmas list. Remember, 19 days before Christmas, take advantage of this amazing deal by using our code Dealstories. Remember, that code does last for 7 days. And take a look at our Amazon storefront page, because trust me, you don't want to miss out. This is absolutely amazing. It's a whole kit all in one. And trust me, it's something to have that you guys can hang up in your home as a DIY. I absolutely love it. So we'll go ahead and check back on that after we review the other products.